Hey there, today's video is about how to create a Vue.js PDF editor with ComPDFKit. Firstly, you should go to ComPDFKit documentation page to check the requirements before starting. Then, go to ComPDFKit pricing page to get a 30-day free license online. Fill in the required information. Click the Get Your Free Trials button. Then check your email inbox to get the license key. Step 1. Create a new Vue.js project using the terminal. And change the directory to ComPDFKit app. Step 2. Install WebViewer from npm and copy resources. In this step you need to install WebViewer using npm. Step 3. Copy the ComPDFKit's resources to the public directory. Add the WebViewer folder containing the static resource files required to run the ComPDFKit web demo to the public resource files of the project. Step 4. Display PDF documents in Vue.js. Create a new component called WebViewer.Vue under src components. Every step code can be found on the ComPDFKit documentation page. In src app.vue component, drop in with our newly created WebViewer component. Start the app and open it in your default browser. And then you can use this Vue PDF viewer to edit, annotations, and sign. ComPDFKit provides you with responsive services to help you solve all technical problems encountered during the integration process. In addition, if you want to experience all PDF editing features first, please go to the ComPDFKit web demo. See you next time.